Could there be another planet lurking in our solar system? A planet we haven't found yet? It might sound like science fiction, but some scientists believe it's true. They're searching for a mysterious world called Planet 9. Planet 9 is thought to be far, far away, much further than Pluto. It's so distant that it's incredibly difficult to spot, but the possibility of its existence is captivating. Imagine the discoveries that await if we find it, a whole new world unlike anything we've ever seen. The story of Planet 9 began with two astronomers, Konstantin Batygin and Mike Brown. These two scientists, both renowned in their field, were always on the lookout for anomalies in the cosmos. Their curiosity and dedication to uncovering the mysteries of the universe led them to a groundbreaking discovery. In 2016, they noticed something strange. While analyzing data from the outer reaches of our solar system, they stumbled upon an unusual pattern. This pattern was not just a random occurrence but something that piqued their scientific curiosity. Some objects in the Kuiper Belt weren't behaving as expected. The Kuiper Belt, a vast region filled with icy bodies and remnants from the solar system's formation, had always been a subject of interest. But this time, the behavior of certain objects was different. The Kuiper Belt is a region of icy bodies beyond Neptune. It's a place where countless small, icy objects orbit the Sun, remnants of the early solar system. These objects, often referred to as trans-Neptunian objects, have fascinated astronomers for decades. These objects usually orbit the Sun in random directions. Their orbits are influenced by the gravitational forces of the giant planets, primarily Neptune. However, the randomness of their orbits is what makes the Kuiper Belt such a chaotic and intriguing region. But Batygin and Brown observed a group of objects with very similar orbits. This was unusual because in such a chaotic region, finding objects with aligned orbits was like finding a needle in a haystack. It suggested that there was an underlying force at play. These orbits were clustered together in a peculiar way. The alignment was too precise to be a coincidence. It was as if these objects were being shepherded by an unseen force, guiding them into similar paths. It was as if something massive was influencing their paths. The gravitational pull required to create such an alignment had to come from a significant source, something much larger than the known objects in the Kuiper Belt. This led them to propose the existence of Planet 9, a hypothetical planet much larger than Earth, lurking in the distant reaches of our solar system. If it exists, Planet 9 could be the key to understanding the mysterious behavior of these distant objects. The unusual orbits of these distant objects are the strongest evidence for Planet 9. They seem to be pulled by the gravity of a large, unseen object. Imagine a group of marbles rolling around on a table. Suddenly the marbles all start moving in the same direction, as if an invisible hand is guiding them. That's similar to what scientists are observing in the Kuiper Belt. The clustered orbits of these icy objects suggest the presence of something massive, something we haven't seen directly yet. Finding Planet 9 is a huge challenge. This elusive planet, if it exists, is thought to be lurking in the far reaches of our solar system, well beyond the orbit of Neptune. Its distance from the Sun is so great that it takes tens of thousands of years to complete just one orbit. It's so far away that it reflects very little sunlight. This faint reflection makes it nearly impossible to spot with the naked eye or even with conventional telescopes. The light it does reflect is so minimal that it blends into the background of space, making it a true needle in a cosmic haystack. This makes it incredibly faint and difficult to detect with even our most powerful telescopes. Despite the advancements in technology, the vast distances and the faintness of the object pose significant challenges. Astronomers have to rely on indirect methods to infer its presence. Think about trying to spot a firefly in the dark, miles away. The firefly's tiny light is barely visible against the vast darkness, and any small movement can make it disappear from view. This analogy perfectly captures the difficulty of finding Planet 9. That's how hard it is to find Planet 9. The vastness of space and the faintness of the planet's light make it an almost impossible task. Yet, astronomers are undeterred. They are driven by the possibility of discovering a new member of our solar system. Astronomers are using various techniques to try and pinpoint its location. They are meticulously analyzing data from multiple telescopes around the world, looking for any signs that might indicate the presence of Planet 9. This involves sifting through vast amounts of data and looking for patterns that could suggest the planet's influence. They're analyzing data from telescopes, looking for tiny wobbles in the orbits of other planets. These wobbles, or perturbations can provide clues about the gravitational influence of an unseen object. By studying the orbits of distant objects in the Kuiper Belt, astronomers hope to infer the presence and location of Planet 9. They're also developing new, more sensitive telescopes to aid in their search. These next-generation instruments are designed to detect even the faintest objects in the farthest reaches of our solar system. With these advanced tools, astronomers are hopeful that they will finally be able to uncover the mystery of Planet 9 and expand our understanding of the solar system. Section 5. What if it's not a planet? While the evidence for Planet 9 is intriguing, some scientists remain skeptical. The search for this elusive object has sparked numerous debates within the scientific community. Researchers have pored over data, scrutinizing every detail, yet the mystery remains unsolved. The possibility of a ninth planet lurking in the far reaches of our solar system is tantalizing, but not everyone is convinced. They argue that the unusual orbits in the Kuiper Belt could be explained by other phenomena. The Kuiper Belt, a region of the solar system beyond Neptune, is home to many icy bodies and dwarf planets. Some scientists believe that the gravitational influences of these objects, or even interactions with passing stars, could account for the observed anomalies. Some suggest that it might be a primordial black hole, a remnant from the early universe. These black holes are thought to have formed shortly after the Big Bang and could be scattered throughout the cosmos. If one were lurking in the outer solar system, its gravitational pull could explain the strange orbits we see. Others propose that it could be a collection of smaller objects, too faint to see individually. These objects, sometimes referred to as trans-Neptunian objects, could collectively exert enough gravitational influence to mimic the presence of a larger planet. The vast distances and faintness of these objects make them incredibly difficult to detect with current technology. It's also possible that the clustering of orbits is just a statistical fluke and there's no need for Planet 9 at all. Statistical anomalies can sometimes lead scientists down the wrong path, and it's crucial to consider all possibilities. The search for Planet 9 continues, but the answer may lie in a deeper understanding of the complex dynamics of our solar system. Whether it's a planet, a black hole, or a collection of smaller objects, the quest to uncover the truth will undoubtedly lead to new discoveries and a greater appreciation of the cosmos. Section 6. The Mysteries Deepen. The search for Planet 9 continues to be a thrilling journey into the unknown. While we haven't found it yet, the quest itself is pushing the boundaries of our understanding. Each new observation, every piece of data collected brings us closer to unraveling the mysteries of our solar system. The possibility of a hidden world lurking in the distant reaches of our cosmic neighborhood is both exciting and humbling. It reminds us how much there is still to discover. Section 7. A new understanding. If we do find Planet 9, it will revolutionize our understanding of the solar system. It would mean rewriting textbooks and reimagining our place in the cosmos. The discovery would provide valuable insights into the formation and evolution of planetary systems. It could also help us understand the dynamics of the outer solar system, including the behavior of comets and other icy bodies. Section 8. Beyond our backyard. The search for Planet 9 extends beyond our own solar system. It has implications for our understanding of exoplanets, planets that orbit other stars. Finding a ninth planet in our own backyard would suggest that such distant worlds are not uncommon in the universe. It would further fuel our curiosity about the potential for life beyond Earth. Section 9. The Future of Exploration. The quest for Planet 9 is a testament to the enduring human spirit of exploration and discovery. It's a reminder that there are still frontiers to be explored, even within our own solar system. Whether we find Planet 9 or not, the search itself is already expanding our knowledge and pushing the limits of our technology. The future of space exploration is bright, full of endless possibilities and awe-inspiring discoveries.